Hi viewers, this is the heartwarming story of a Dobbo, a cute but lazy duckling who never valued time while others practiced and prepared. Dobbo wasted his moment until a life taught him a powerful lesson. This story teaches children and adults alike about the importance of time, discipline, and hard working.
At the edge of the forest, there was a beautiful blue lake surrounded by lush green trees and colorful flowers, creating a breathtaking view. In this very lake lived a happy family of ducks. Among them was a little duckling named Dobbo. Dobbo was very cute, mischievous, and talkative, but he had one big flaw. He was extremely lazy and never valued time. He would put off every task, laugh at his mother's advice, and think that time would never end. Every morning, as the sun rose and a gentle mist settled over the lake, the world seemed to come alive with a fresh start. The golden rays of the sun would dance on the water, creating a magical scene that promised new beginnings and endless possibilities. The mother duck, with her nurturing instincts, would wake up her children and say, "Wake up, little ones. Time is very precious. Each moment is a gift, and we must make the most of it." All the ducklings would cheerfully join their mother for a swim in the lake, their tiny bodies gliding effortlessly through the water, enjoying the coolness of the morning. But Dobbo, the laziest of them all, would slowly rub his eyes, yawn, and say, "My dear, the moment that passes never returns. We must seize the day and make every second count. If you waste time, you will regret it tomorrow." The mother duck's words were filled with wisdom and care. Yet, Dobbo showed laziness in every task, preferring to rest while others swam and played. The other ducklings worked hard, practicing their swimming and following a routine that made them stronger and more agile. That's why they were quick, smart, and successful. They understood the value of time and the importance of hard work, which made them happy and active members of their little community. One day, it was announced in the forest that the annual swimming competition was about to be held, in which children from the entire area would participate. The news spread like wildfire, and soon the forest was buzzing with excitement. Whoever wins will receive a shiny golden fish as a reward and be called the star of the forest. This trophy was not just a symbol of victory, but also a mark of honor and pride. All the children were very happy. They could hardly contain their excitement and started making plans with their friends. They started practicing day and night. The lake became a hub of activity as children splashed and swam with determination. Swimming in the lake morning and evening, pushing themselves to improve their speed and stamina. Running, strengthening their bodies. They knew that winning required more than just swimming. They needed to be in top physical condition. Dobbo also heard, but as usual, he lazily said, "There are still 5 days left, plenty of time to start training. I'll start tomorrow." Dobbo's friends tried to encourage him to start practicing right away, but he just shrugged and continued to relax, thinking he had all the time in the world. But tomorrow never came. Finally, the day of the competition arrived. All the animals had come. They were watching all the children with joy. As soon as the whistle blew, all the children jumped into the water. Dobbo hadn't practiced, so he got tired. Finally, after what felt like an eternity, he reached the shore, exhausted and out of breath. But to his dismay, all the other children had already received their awards. They were taking pictures, laughing and smiling, celebrating their achievements. Dobbo stood there, feeling a deep sense of shame and embarrassment. He was alone, watching from a distance. His mother noticed his distress and came closer, her face filled with concern. She gently placed her hand on his head, trying to comfort him. In a soft, soothing voice, she said, "Dobbo, my dear, don't be disheartened. If you had prepared on time and put in the effort, you could have been up there with them, receiving an award too. Learn to value time. It's the key to success. Remember, every moment counts, and preparation is crucial for achieving your goals." The lesson: everyone gets the same amount of time, but those who waste it get left behind. Successful are those who recognize the value of moments and make the most of them. Theme: the value of time.